Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video I will tell you how to use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. The HLOOKUP function stands for the horizontal lookup and is used when the data is arranged by rows as shown here. For example, we have data corresponding to different countries with some parameters like area, GDP and population, and here we want to find out the GDP values for these two countries from this data set. So I will show you how to do this using the HLOOKUP function. Before using the HLOOKUP function, I want to tell you that there are four different arguments which are required for using this function. The first is the lookup value. It is this value corresponding to which you want to find the data in this. Then there is table array, which is this. Make sure that the row corresponding to your lookup value has to be the topmost row in the table array. Then the row index number is the row number from the top. For your convenience, I have numbered the rows here so that it is easy for you to understand. And then the range lookup is used if whether you want an exact match or partial match. So depending on that, the value for this should be either true or false. So let's start. So here you start by typing HLOOKUP. Then the lookup value is India in this case. Then the table array will be this, and I have fixed this table by adding this $sign here so that the formula gets replicated correctly when I just drag and drop for the next value here. Then the row index number, as we need to find out the GDP, the row index number here is 3, so I will just type 3 here. And then we want an exact match, which is most of the time, so just type false and then enter. You see we get the result here, and then we can drag and drop here. We have successfully applied the same formula here for Brazil too. So this is how we use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel for similar videos related to Excel. Thank you and have a nice day.